Testing. Hello guys. I'm gonna show you how to get clear sound on funimate. Cause yeah, you don't have the screen record anymore. Oh my god, can you bird shut up? Oh my god. Shut up. Oh my god. Okay, so don't mind this. What's my notifications? Okay. Oh my god. What did I get? Oh my god. Oh, thank you for the follow. Basic Roblox XX adopt Charlie Redmond Game Train Charlie Rowan XOXO Backup X. Shout out to you guys, okay? This is my TikTok. Yes, this is my TikTok. Oh my god. Yes, finally this bird shut up because I got next to them. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna get copyright. Okay. I'm just gonna go into my video. Okay. Okay, let's say you want a video, like pick your video first. If the sound, but no, I don't want to give people shout outs. Okay, just get this run. Okay, don't mind it. Like, okay, how to explain this? Just like, okay, let's say this video has the sound you want, okay? You get it? And you save it, okay? Save the video. There you go, I'm saving it, okay? Saving it, okay? It has to be, or make a video with that sound and then save it. That could work too, oh my god. And let's hurry up, I'm trying to make a video. I love spoiling. Oh my god, guys. You guys don't have to. Okay, so I saved it. Okay. Go to funimate. Okay. Okay, go to funimate. When you're in funimate, let's just load. Okay, you're now in funimate. Yeah, this is my account. Spark_choco. My dog's thing on it. Okay, just edit a video. Okay. And oh my god. I'm sorry. Okay, and then you just choose stuff. I just chose random. Okay. Now you have your thing here. Just don't mind the video. It's just because just don't mind it. Okay. Press the button, that button that I just pressed. Then press the video that has the sound that you saved from TikTok, preferably TikTok. Then tap that video sound. I'm just gonna get that one, okay? Okay. Okay, see? I'm gonna just search it out, okay? Oh my god, okay. Press the thing, and then it's gonna have, if it has a little check mark, then you did it right, okay? And then, give me a sec. You see now my video has the sound. Okay, that's the tutorial. That's all. You guys want to watch me edit? Probably not, but I'm gonna make you edit and watch me edit.